Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl chanellenovosey, and today I'm coming to you with a cooking video. It's been a while since I cooked with you guys and I do miss it. I am definitely getting back into the game. I've been eating horribly lately, and as you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that I used to be a lot bigger. I used to weigh 225 pounds at my biggest, and I went through a whole journey in getting in shape, and I would love to keep that up. I went from being a size 16, 18 to a size 8. I'm very proud of that, and I would love to keep the weight off, okay? So I'm going to be showing you a subscription-based service plan, meal plan service by the name of Purple Carrot. You may have heard of it already. They offer vegan meal plans, which are amazing. I'm going to be getting into that in this video. I'm going to cook up one of their dishes and let you guys know what I think. So the 3 different plans that the Purple Carrot has. The first plan is the Chef's Choice plan, which are gourmet meals that elevate your taste buds. So the second plan is the Quick and Easy plan, which are simple dishes which are meant to be cooked in 30 minutes or less. And the last plan are the high protein plans, which are of course high protein meals that are meant to give you a lot of energy. They also offer TB12 performance meals. This plan provides 3 recipes per week, 2 servings per recipe. They are gluten-free and low in soy. So I'm going to follow the instructions which came inside of the booklet here for the Saag Paneer, however you pronounce it, I'm not quite too sure, but I'll put it in the description box. Also check the link in the description box for a code to the Purple Carrot as well as a link to their store. If you guys want more details on, my weight loss journey and things like that, let me know. But as for now, I'm going to go ahead and get cooking in this kitchen and you guys can watch. How about that? So first I'm going to add my lemon juice and my white mossy paste to my bowl. Next I'm going to take my tofu and I'm going to drain it, pat dry my tofu, and I'm going to cut it into 1-inch cubes. Next you'll place your tofu inside of your bowl. And you're simply going to toss it to coat it, but I'm going to use some tongs. So you're going to set your tofu aside until step 4. Next you're going to add your saffron rice to a small saucepan with 1 cup of water. Next I'm going to peel and dice my onion, and I'm going to mince my ginger as well as my garlic clove. Okay, so we have our diced onions, our minced ginger root, as well as our minced garlic. So next I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and add it to my non-stick pan. So next I'm going to take my marinated tofu and I'm going to add it to my skillet. So you're going to cook your tofu for 3 to 5 minutes on medium to high heat. So you're only going to cook it on 2 sides of the cube, so I'm going to flip these over. So next it says to add a pinch of salt and then transfer to a plate. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to your skillet. Next you're going to add your onions. Next I'm going to add my minced ginger and also my minced garlic. It smells like a dream. Oh my god, this is going to be such a flavorful dish. Next I'm going to add the tikka masala spice. So next I'm going to add my pure coconut milk. You're also going to add a 1/4 cup of water. Add a pinch of pepper. So once you've brought your dish to a boil, you're going to add your spinach. Next I'm going to add my tofu back to my dish. Alright, so here's what it looks like once you've added everything in. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate my meal. So next I'm going to plate my dish. I'm going to lay my rice down first. And lastly, you're going to add your mango chutney. So here is my dish. I'm super excited to eat it. I bet it is delicious. It smells amazing. I cannot wait to try it. This was so much fun to do. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you Purple Carrot for sponsoring today's video. If you guys saw my video on my weight loss journey, you saw me discuss the fact that I had began to have IBS and GERD. I had that at one point in my life. Eating plant-based and eating vegan, eliminating a lot of really bad foods for myself, and eating foods that come from our earth and from our soil, and that's very good for you. It's so important. I am definitely on the path, hopefully, to become vegan one day. This dish is definitely mind-opening, that you can have a tasty dish that doesn't have to taste like bland and boring. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all later. Bye.